friends, aloha. Just wanted to make a short video about saving my persimmons. There's another video about how I clamp them and harvest them to keep them away from squirrels, but I want to show you what happens. Okay, here is a basket of persimmons I picked. Here's a nice healthy looking persimmon, or on the tree they might look beautiful and healthy like this, but then sometimes you turn around and look, that's a boo-boo that a squirrel caused. And here's a really bad one. I'm going to show you. Yikes. So on the tree it might look like this. You might see this and it's like, oh, that's a perfectly nice ripening persimmon. And then you pick it and you're like, oh my God. Oof. And then you're like, well, should I just throw this away, put it in the compost? But you can actually save them and still eat them. So here are some examples, and I just want to show you how I do it. This one I already did earlier. See, like this. I just cut off the bad part, and look, you still have a lot of fruit you can save. This one's extra bad, so I just wanted to use this as an example to show you. If you want to come closer and just see, here's my little compost bucket here. Let me move this guy. But you basically just cut off the top with a knife, like that. And yes, don't do this. Yes, and don't do this. Don't cut towards you. That's very dangerous. You should always cut away. And then you just kind of shave off the bad parts. And if you don't feel comfortable holding a persimmon and cutting, then put it on a cutting board, which I can show you. But just cut off the bad parts. Give it a rinse. Get any dirt or anything off of it. And then you just put it in your cutting board. Here, let me move these guys. But see how there's still like little scratch marks? So I just kind of keep cutting. And look, here you can still see there's a little dig hole. I like to cut it all off. If you're gonna make like a pie or jam, then I think it's okay. But if you're gonna eat it raw and fresh, then I just like to cut off any parts that got bruised or damaged by the squirrel, like here, little dark spots. Just cut those off. They're probably okay, but you know, squirrels have germs too. They are a rodent. And just rather, you know, not eat their germs, because even though my tree is organic, but look, nice and clean. No more marks. Well, there's a little tiny spot right there. I'm just cut that off. There, now it's nice and clean. Okay, so we still have, oh, here's one more spot. Okay, there we go. But look, you still have a lot of fruit. And then I'm just give it a quick rinse. I mean, all the work that Mother Nature, my beautiful tree, went into making the fruit. I don't want to throw this all away. So you mostly just have these little bits that I wouldn't eat. But I guess if you wanted to, you can cook it and put it in like, you know, a baked good or something. But that will save that for another episode when we make persimmon jam, because I've done that before. But this is totally good. And then yesterday, we just had some of these as our lunch. We had persimmon chips instead of regular chips. They're much more healthy, full of vitamins, and yummy. Crispy, sweet, delicious. So we have a nice persimmon here that we saved. Happy fall. Hello, hi, here's my tree. Hi, hi. We're gonna have this one for breakfast. Look how beautiful and perfect it is. No bites, because it was protected by the shell. Look, let's see the bottom of it. Look how beautiful. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Okay, wait, there is one tiny little mark there. But besides that, we're gonna chop it up and eat it. Yummy. Okay. So the easiest way is to chop it in half first. Okay. Then you can cut off the nubbin on top. Always cut away. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay. There we go. There. Cut that part off. Okay. And then easy enough. Just slice it up. Oh, this sounds so good. Yummy. Okay. Try a piece. Good morning. That's delicious.